Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or moving funds for trading, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. By 2025, crypto transfers might have some updated regulations, so let's make sure you're up to speed. First off, before we dive in, ensure you have verified accounts on both Binance and MEXC. You'll also need USDT in your Binance wallet and a good understanding of the networks, like TRC20 or BEP20, as they can affect transfer speed and fees. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and click on Withdraw. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Search for USDT in the Withdraw options and select it. Double-check the network. Go with TRC20 for faster, cheaper transfers, but confirm what MEXC supports in 2025 to avoid any issues. Step 3. Enter your MEXC wallet address. You can find this by logging into MEXC, going to the Deposit section, and copying the USDT address. Make sure it matches the network you're using. Step 4. Specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer and review the details, including any fees. Binance typically charges a small network fee, so keep that in mind to avoid surprises. Step 5. Hit Confirm and complete the security verification, like 2FA. Once submitted, the transfer should process quickly, usually within minutes to an hour. After that, hop over to your MEXC account and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and double-check your transaction history on Binance. A few quick tips. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent losses. Keep an eye on 2025 crypto regulations that might affect exchanges, and never transfer more than you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next one.